Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Ben Beps and this will be the first ever video I start off in the new house. We haven't quite moved in yet, however my family are coming here today to drop off stuff. Okay, bye. Because of moving in, so I thought I'd stay here and record my Artlist video here for Instagram. I had some ideas of shots I wanted to get in a new house sometime and I thought I could use them for my Artlist short little clip, and I'm also going to be telling you about all that in this video. So guys, this is a room in which I have temporarily set myself up. This is the kitchen. I've got my tripod here, I've got my bigger tripod upstairs as well, my gimbal which I might use for doing the hallway shot, and then I've got my laptop here which I have an idea where I'm gonna shoot this like in editing, so like I'm using the music off Artlist and then it pans into the screen or something like that. Just an idea. Yeah, it's really echoey in here, I know, I'm sorry. Now, I've been wanting to make a video for a while about how I find music for my videos, non-copyrighted music obviously, because you cannot use anything copyrighted on YouTube. And when Artlist, which is a company which specializes in providing non-copyrighted music for content creators, said, hey, we're willing to let you try out Artlist if you make a video on it and if you put the link in your description, I was like, sure, definitely, because I've seen Artlist a lot in the past and I already knew they had a great library of songs after browsing through it, and everything just clicked. That was cool. So today I'll be showing you Artlist and showing you also how I'm going about making this short little video for my Instagram as well, in case you want to take any tips away from that. I have this kind of storyboard idea figured out for how I'm going to go about this video. First of all, I want maybe a shot of me coming through the front door or coming down the hallway or something with my backpack on with, say, my laptop and stuff in. Then, for example, I get my laptop out and set up a little editing area in the kitchen like I have at the moment, but it'll just be about 5 seconds of shots, just like really, really quick. And then let's say I go into Premiere Pro and drag in the video and audio off the Artlist website, and then it pans into the video and then says Ben Beps X Artlist or something like that. Then I would caption out a post on Instagram saying about Artlist, etc. That's the kind of general idea I have. Let's see how it goes. Now, a moment ago I mentioned Artlist. It is a website where you can download music to use in your videos. I know it's quite hard to find music to use on YouTube because there are so many copyright laws as to what you can use, etc., and you really don't want to be getting into that grey zone with music in which you could potentially have your videos flagged and your channel terminated. There are a few options open to you. You can go to the YouTube library, although I don't find the YouTube library very useful when finding good music to use in my videos, which helps the videos to sound professional. As I've probably said about in other videos, good sound design is important when making videos, which is a bit hypocritical because this is the echoest room I could be recording in. However, Artlist helps you cross this bridge, as it is a website with basically any genre of music you can imagine that you would need to use in a project, in a video, and you can sell the videos in which you use this music. It's not just for your personal projects, for what you're doing at home, or just for your YouTube channel. You can use this for commercial licensing, etc. When you add tracks to your cart, you get an email saying that these tracks have been licensed, and you get a direct download link with which you can download the tracks. Come on, let's go somewhere less echoey. What makes this site even better for you guys is that it is exceptionally well priced. For only $200 a year, you can get complete access to their entire library of music. Now, if you think about this, $200 may sound quite a bit. Yeah, okay. You only bring in a certain amount a month and spread that over 12 months. $200 isn't the cheapest in the world. But then think of this perspective. Sometimes, say you're to approach an artist to try and get a licensed track to use in your video. They could state you $200 just for that one song to use in your video, licensed, depending on the artist you go to. And to have a website, which is a subscription-based website, in which you can get infinite amount of songs for your video completely licensed and you don't have to worry about copyright. That is just perfect for us content creators. This video is titled Where I Get My Music From, and obviously Artlist is exactly where I get my music from. Because of its wide variety of different types of music, and obviously because it's completely copyright free, it makes it perfect for me to use in my videos and not have to worry about copyright, and I can get whatever style of music I want. Artlist is my go-to for music. Let's jump into the Artlist site and I'll give you a quick run through of how it works, etc. So here you can see we are in the Artlist website, artlist.io. As you come into the website, there'll just be this homepage here with an album suggestion which has music which you can use in your videos, as does the entire website, and some suggested songs down here from different random genres. Some of them new, some of them just highly rated, I guess. So this one here, it says cinematic. Let's have a listen. I guess this could be used for some kind of drone footage or something. So let's say we add that one to the cart, and another cinematic acoustic folk one. Upbeat kind of drone, I guess. Good for drone footage. And then electronic pop. That one's already in my basket. I guess that one could be good for like start of a vlog or something. And then cinematic classical. Don't know what I'd use that one for, but for example, put that one in the cart. So as you can see, there's quite a variety of different types of songs. And it's not just the ones here which are listed in the suggestions which you can choose from. You can go to mood here. There's lots of different moods which you can choose from. Say groovy or dramatic if you're creating a dramatic kind of video. Tense, scary, dark. There's everything basically. And one thing I find useful here which Artlist's competitors don't have is video theme. So if you want something professional, you could choose business. Well, all the songs are professional, but something which will really suit a business themed video would be found there. Weddings, documentary could be more like cinematic music, vlog, more upbeat kind of stuff, road trip I guess would be indie kind of music, and then travel would probably be more like kind of pop, tropical, maybe indie. But yeah, every kind of video theme that you'd be interested in getting music for is here. And say you'd suggest, probably for me I'd suggest travel, and then you could also combine moods and video themes. So let's say groovy, travel. You can also choose the genre of music, so let's say I wanted, let's say lounge. And then there's even instruments which you can choose from in case you don't want, or you do want a certain instrument in the music. Here's what it's come up with. Let's try this electronic lounge one, MTV2 Oton. There's that one. That would be good for, I don't know, some quick cinematics, maybe a couple of drone shots, or even in the background of a talking part on the travel video. So those are the kind of songs I'd use. I've added them all to the cart. Now what you do here is you have the cart and you just go to checkout. You're not paying for these, by the way, it's included in your subscription. You go to checkout and it says your songs are waiting for you in your email inbox. Any second now I would get an email and it would basically just say the songs which I had in my cart, and it would have a download link for each one, and you just go and download it for free, and the quality is very high. So as you can see, it's very simple to use, and it has a really wide variety of music for any type of music which you'd be making, completely licensed, meaning you wouldn't get any copyright notifications, etc. from YouTube. Something they also have which is good and, well, is new, is Artgrid here, which is like Artlist, but instead of using music, it has royalty-free footage which you can use for your video, so stock footage basically, as it says here. Again, this is subscription-based, however, once you are subscribed, you have an unlimited variety of videos, anything you'd need. Let's say we choose this one, fields next to trees. Let's have a look at what this is. So a drone shot flying over fields, maybe in, I don't know, Italy or somewhere. Now, imagine you're making a travel video of traveling through somewhere in Europe, and you were just missing that one drone shot which you needed in your video to separate two different shots with a bit of that travel music which I showed you from Artlist over the top of. This would be the perfect kind of shot, and you could download it for free by adding it to your cart, etc. I don't really know many other sites on the web which are as advanced and dedicated towards creators as Artlist and Artgrid are. They're excellent sites providing with royalty-free music and stock footage, and ones which I've been using for my videos and I will continue to use as they sort me out, they give me everything I need. So now that I've shown you what I use to find music for my videos, why don't you go and check it out for yourself? I've got links to Artlist and Artgrid down in the description below. Just click on it and check it out for yourself, see if you like it. If you found this video useful, remember to give it a like. It'd be really appreciated. Comment down below what your thoughts are on Artlist and Artgrid if you're going to use them yourself. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.
yeah.